Welcome to your guided mental training session. I'm going to run you through a visualization exercise you can do before a long run or race. Having a strong, positive mind can help you run stronger, better, and faster. Let's get started. It's best to do this exercise in a quiet place with your eyes closed. Go somewhere you can relax and focus on only this for a few minutes. You can sit or lay down for this visualization. Turn off any notifications and distractions. Take a deep breath as you settle into your space. Check in with your body. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Feel free to adjust your body as we go along to stay comfortable. Now slowly take 3 deep breaths at your own pace. Breathe in gratitude, breathe out pain. Breathe in strength, breathe out doubt. Breathe in confidence, breathe out fear. It's time to get ready to run. Visualize yourself in front of a door to your changing room. The door has your name on it, so you open it and walk in. You enter a small, bright room. In the center of the room, you see all your running gear has been carefully laid out for you on a table. You walk to the table and notice a beam of light shining on your clothes and shoes. Today is a special day. You feel lucky to be able to run. You change into your clothes and lace up your shoes. You notice you feel taller and more confident instantly. There's a big mirror on one of the walls in the room. You walk over to it and smile. You feel great today. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Center yourself. Hold on to this confidence. Now you're outside at the start of your run. You feel a buzz of energy all around you. Breathe in the energy and let it fuel you. Feel your skin absorb the pre-run excitement and lift you up. This is going to be a great run. Three, 2, 1, go. You start running. Head up, shoulders relaxed, chest proud. You feel your feet touch the ground and push off again. You get into a rhythm, listening to your feet tap the ground. You can do this. Take a breath and let it out. You check in with your body and feel strong. You feel confident. You keep going. Every step gives you more confidence. You feel energized every time your feet push off the ground. You can do this. You are doing it. After a while, you get into the zone, and the minutes and the miles fly by faster than you expected. You notice something in the distance. You're almost done. The finish line is in sight. You see the finish line in the distance and feel a wave of excitement flow through your body, starting from your feet, up to your legs, up through your chest, and to your head. You enjoy this moment. Give yourself a little nod and know you can do this. You're running towards the finish line with great form, filled with confidence, and you see it getting closer and closer and closer. As you run through the finish, you feel fast and strong. You throw up your arms to the sky when you finish. You did it. You did it. You did it. Take a deep breath and slowly let it out. Breathe in every step, every minute, and every mile that you've put in to get here. Breathe in confidence and strength and power, and know that you can do this. You are a runner. You are strong and powerful and capable of amazing things. Now take one last big deep breath in, slowly let it out, and blink your eyes open. Come back to today. Hold on to this confidence that you feel right now. Bring it back up in your mind and in your body as you're out there running. Remember to be brave, run fast, and have fun.